Assalamualaikum viewers, in this video we will talk about how to identify skin undertone for Indian skin. Do you know your skin undertone? No, we are not talking about your skin being fair, medium or dark. That will be the color of your skin complexion, and undertone is different. For starters, it doesn't change. Unlike your complexion which change with the season. You may find yourself darker in the summer because of suntan and lighter in the winter. The truth is, many Indian women, just like you, do not know much about skin tones and the big role they play in determining the right clothes, makeup, and hair color for your skin tone. In this video, we will learn about these questions. What is a skin tone? How to tell if you have a warm or cold skin tone. Why is it important to know your skin undertone? Is an olive complexion cool or warm? What undertone is ivory? So what is a skin undertone? You may have heard the terms warm, cool or neutral used frequently by fashion and makeup gurus. Simply put, your skin undertone meaning is that it's a hue that comes through the skin from the underneath its surface. Those who are similarly with skin's undertone think that fair skin have cool undertones and dark skin have warm undertones. That's not true. In fact, each complexion, be it dark, medium or light, can have warm, cool and neutral skin undertones. Cool skin undertone. If the overall complexion of a person has more blue, pink and red hue, then the undertone is classified as cool. Warm skin undertone. If there are more yellow, peach and golden hues, then the undertone is considered warm. Neutral skin undertone. People who do not have cool or warm undertones are said to have neutral undertones. How to tell if you have a warm or cool skin tone? Take these 4 simple tests. Determining the undertone of your skin can be easily done at home. You can try any or one or more of these tests to know your skin undertone. Test 1. The breast test. Look at the underside of your breast and closely examine the color of your veins. Cool. If your veins look purple or blue, then you have a cool undertone. Warm. If your veins appear greenish or olive veins, you have a warm undertone. Neutral. If you cannot determine which color is dominate is your veins, then you have a neutral undertone. Test 2. The jewelry test. Take a piece of each of silver and gold jewelry and place it next to your skin. Cool. You have cool skin if silver jewelry tends to look flattering on your skin. Warm. You are more likely to have a warm tone if gold looks good on your skin. Neutral. You may have neutral undertone if you look good in both gold and silver jewelry. Pro tip. Most people consider rose gold to be a cool toned metal but do not use it for this test. Stick to silver and gold for results. Test number 3. The sun test. The way your skin reacts to the sun can help you find your skin undertone. Cool. If your skin starts to burn or turn red in the sun, it indicates a cool undertone. Warm. If your skin turns easily in the sun, you have a warm undertone. Pro tip, even both cool skin tones are more prone to sunburn. It is extremely important to apply a good quality sunscreen irrespective of your skin undertone every time you go out. Test number 4. The color test. This is a fun test since we are going to ask you to take out all your favorite clothes from your wardrobe and apply with the colors to know your undertones. Take a mirror and stand in a valid room, preferably in daily light. Hold different garments next to your skin to see how the colors make you look. Cool. If cool colors like blue, black, white, purple, etc. complement you, then you have cool undertones. Warm. If peach, yellow, brown, olive, and other warm colors suit you, then you have warm undertones. Neutral. If you think you look good in every and any shade you wear, well then, lucky you. You have a neutral undertone. Now that you have identified an undertone of your skin, here's what you can do with the knowledge. Pick the right clothes. What's your skin undertone is. You can start buying clothes in the shade and that complement your skin tone. The rule of thumb for clothes is to pick warm color for a warm undertone and cool colors for cool toned complexions. For instance, in the green color family, the olive would make a warm Indian skin tone glow, while turquoise will suit women with a cool skin undertone. Pick the right makeup. The same rule applies to foundation shades, eyeshadow colors, and lipstick shades. Choose warm shades in the color tree. You have warm undertones, and cool colors if you have cool undertones. This makes your makeup complement your neutral complexion. When it comes to foundations, use a skin tone chart to find the right type of foundation for yourself. A foundation for warm skin tone may look ashy on cool undertone. Stick to the shade that complements your skin tone. Pick the right hair color. The rule of thumb is reversed when it comes to choosing the right hair color from the hair color chart. Warm skin tones should pick cool colors, while cool skin tones need to wear warm colors. Let's subscribe to my channel to know these wonderful tips. Don't forget to share your opinion about my videos. If you like my videos, please like and share.
I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.